Annyeonghaseyo, welcome to my channel Pooja Loves Drama. So today I am going to talk about the best K-drama I have ever watched. Yeah, I am talking about Lovely Runner that was ended yesterday, and this is the best drama. Like the cast, the storyline, the OST, the visuals, like everything is so much perfect. And the most important thing, our Beyonce got the happy ending he deserved. Like he died in every drama, every movie he done till now. This is the first drama he got a happy ending and his first love. Like this drama is really amazing, the perfect finale. Like the last episode was really good, and it was a really great experience to wait for the next episode, to wait for the next week. Like everything was so much amazing. Like this drama is highly recommendable and must watch. If you guys didn't watch this drama yet, just go and watch right now. You are sleeping on a masterpiece, because this drama is up to the bar. I'm not able to do any rating for this drama because it was really amazing. And if you guys don't know anything about the storyline, then let me tell you the storyline first. So the storyline is about a singer Rhee Sunjae and his fan, that is Imsol. Rhee Sunjae got died because of one accident, and our Imsol, because of one watch, she traveled back in time and she got to know they both were neighbors. And like there were so many things, because she is the first love of him, and like she forget her memories because of one accident. So she tried to save him for these incident and all these things, because she wanted to save him. And now she traveled back in time again and again, like 3 times she traveled back, and every time he will falls in love with her, like she is his first love and she also loves him. So we are gonna see about their love story and how she will try to save him and how he will die while saving her. So many things going to be happen. But in the 4th timeline, that was a really great, well written storyline, you can say. In the 4th timeline, everything was same, like because she pretend like the first meeting of them, she changed the first meeting. Now for her, he don't know her at all, but she was in love with him like for 15 years. In first timeline, he was in love with her for 15 years, and now in 4th timeline, she was in love with him for 15 years. And now the main thing, in the 4th timeline, they met again. He is also a superstar and she is a producer, you can say. She write her own movie script, and Rhee Sunjae read that movie script and he want to roll in that. That is about him only, because that is the script of Lovely Runner. And now they will entangled with each other again, and because of one incident, he got his memories about 3 timelines. And now everything is okay, because the main culprit who wants to kill Rhee Sunjae, like who killed Rhee Sunjae in 3 timelines, got died in 4th timelines because of one accident. And now everything is safe, so they got their happy ending, they're married, their proposal, like everything. Also their career, because she wants to become a director and now she is a director. So everything is perfect about this drama. And the main thing, the OST. Like in first timeline, he written a song about his first love, that is Imsol, about their meetings, about their first meet, like everything. That is the best song. Like the OST of this drama are really amazing, like really incredible. And this drama is highly recommendable. If you guys in K-drama slump, just go and watch this drama right now. This is highly recommendable for you and super interesting, super worthy to watch. Their characters, they are the greeniest flag ever, like the greeniest flag. So I really want you guys to watch this drama definitely. Like if you love to watch in dubbed language, for once at least try to watch with subtitles, because this drama is really amazing and the best K-drama I have ever watched. So I can guarantee you are gonna love this drama. Just go and watch right now. You can watch this drama on Viki app and HiTV app. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click on subscribe button. And if you love to watch my videos, don't forget to click on like button also. And I always make videos about Korean, Chinese and Thai dramas, all the new updates about underrated dramas, all the recommendations. You can check everything on my YouTube channel. So just go and check my channel also. We will meet in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.